Another community now telling everyone to mask up as local leaders blast Governor Greg Abbott for no statewide mandate. Welcome to Midday this Friday. I'm Sonia Azad. So if you live in Denton, grab that mask. It's now required in indoor public spaces. That latest vote coming as North Texas runs out of ICU beds. Our Suzanne Bruner joins me now. And Suzanne, you were just on a call with about a dozen leaders statewide about masks.
Yes, Sonia, that virtual press conference wrapped up this past hour. It was held by local leaders across the state of Texas calling on Governor Greg Abbott to rescind his executive order putting a ban on mask mandates. Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins and Denton City Council member Deb Armintor were among the leaders on this conference call. Their message: help or get out of the way. Now, during that conference, local officials, they talked about why and how they're trying to keep their community safe with the Delta variant on the rise. Judge Jenkins said, this has been a long war and people are tired. The patient to doctor nurse ratio is the worst it's ever been in modern history. It's not asking much of people to wear a mask. Now, this comes after Judge Jenkins signed an emergency mask order in Dallas County Wednesday, requiring people to wear a mask in schools, child care centers, businesses, and county buildings. Denton is the latest city to defy Governor Abbott's executive order. City Council recently voted in favor of a mask mandate requiring people to wear masks in schools, businesses, and city buildings. Now, here are the very latest numbers from the DFW Hospital Council. I spoke with the president this morning. He told me nearly 2,700 COVID cases are in 19 counties across North Texas, and 18% of hospital beds are filled with COVID patients. Around 41% of the patients in the ICU have COVID. They're much younger than they were in the past and much sicker. The council confirmed they're out of pediatric ICU beds in the area. Now, in response to those numbers, here's what Judge Jenkins had to say about how serious this situation is.
Your child will wait for another child to die. Your child will just not get on the ventilator. Your child will be care flighted to Temple or Oklahoma City or wherever we can find them a bed, but they won't be getting one here.
The hospital council says there have been no pediatric patients transferred to another hospital at this time, but if it comes down to it, it's going to be difficult because other hospitals are in that same situation. But one of the last questions that was asked on this virtual press conference was, what if the Supreme Court sides with the governor? What happens next? Well, leaders answered with one word: fight. I'm Suzanne Bruner, live in Dallas. Back to you.